Right. Now let's assume that you want to solve a limit that deals with um a trigonometric function. Let's say the sine, the cosine, the tangent, the secant, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's say for instance that we want to solve the limit of sine squared theta divided by 1 minus cos squared theta. In fact, this question is from 2019 past question number 9. Question number 9, go there. 2019 past question number 9. So it's the limit of sine squared theta divided by 1 minus cos theta as theta tends to 0. So since we don't have theta in our calculator, what we are going to use is x. Okay, so as usual, press the division sign, then you have this, not the actual division but the one that has a fractional sign. Then when you press it, then because we don't have sine squared in our calculator, what you do for me is to get that sine squared, open a bracket first, then press sine. All right, but mind you, before you do that, I want you to convert, make sure that your calculator is in radian, because anytime you are solving any equation on angles, like anytime you're solving any trigonometric equation, be it on integrals, differentials, limits, and so on and so forth, your answer, your calculator must be in radian. And how can you put your calculator in radian? Just press in your calculator, press shift mode 4. Shift mode 4, because this is a scientific calculator on my phone, so it cannot operate that on my phone. So press in your normal Casio calculator shift mode 4. When you press shift mode 4, then you have put your calculator in what? In radian. Then when you do that, before you start doing this process, now you press sine open bracket. So since I don't have theta, I'm going to use x. So alpha x, then you close your bracket twice, then you put your squared. All right, then divided by 1 minus cos x, because it's cos theta. So 1 minus cos x, then you close your bracket. So as usual, you press your calc. Now since the limit is approaching 0, do not use 0. Understand? If your limit is approaching 0, do not use 0. What you are going to use is use 0.00001, or you can use 0.0000, any, but like let it be 0.0000 something. Okay, 001, 00002. You can use maybe as many zeros as you want. And mind you that the answer you are going to get is not going to be exactly that same answer, but it's going to be very, very close to the answer in your material. So since it's 0.0001 that I'm using here, if I press equal to, I have 1.999. So if I decide to use, let's say, a closer number, let's say 0.0001, I see I'm going to have 2. So the other one is 1.999, which is equivalent to 2. And if I use a closer 0.00, I'm getting 2. So you can decide to use for 3 zeros, okay, 0.3 zeros, then 1. You can get an answer. Even if you decide to use plenty 0, your answer is still going to give you the same thing, just that you are going to approximate your answer and see that it is equivalent to what you have in your option. So the answer to this question is 2. 2 is the correct answer, as you can see here.